The dew cannot appear. What is dew? Why you get dew? Dew point. So in order to write answers or find answers for this, you need to know what dew point is. Now a dew point can, like, when someone asks you, if you do not know the definition what the dew point is, then don't even try doing these questions. No කඩපාඩම් නැත්නම් මේ questions කරන්න හිතන්නවත් එපා. Right? It's your fault if you don't remember. Right? When I ask you what's the dew point, no. You just frankly think about it, that whether you know the dew point or not. Dew point එක කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා definition එක දන්නේ නැත්නම් you can't do the question. Right? Theory is very important for this. So dew point is the temperature at which a system gets saturated with its own vapor. System එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන vapor වලින් system එක saturate වෙන temperature එක. So when you reduce the temperature of a system, it becomes saturated slowly. So at the dew point, what is the relative humidity? Saturation means RH 100%. So how would it happen? You know, now there is a system. The amount of vapor that you have in the system is M. The maximum vapor amount that you have is M naught, that you can have. Maximum that you can put into this is M naught. So RH is MO M naught into 100%. So when you keep reducing the temperature, once you reduce the temperature, M is not going to change, it's a constant value. But when you reduce the temperature, you know the maximum amount of vapor that you can keep in a system depends on two factors. One is temperature, one is volume. So if you reduce the temperature, the amount that you can keep is going to reduce. So RH will be increasing. So you reduce the temperature until a certain point at which that the RH will be 100%. So this happens once you reduce temperatures. So at higher temperatures, dew cannot appear. Right? At higher temperatures in the sense, not that when you increase temperature, if it is not saturated, increasing temperature, you will not get dew. Right? But even though if the temperature is high, if you can make the relative humidity to 100%, yes. Relative humidity 100%, yes, it's a dew point. So cannot appear if. So this will make dew. Second one says temperature is low, absolute humidity is equal to the corresponding value at dew point. Absolute humidity is equal to the corresponding value at dew point. Yes, you get dew. What is absolute humidity? Then absolute humidity so if you don't know the meanings of these words, any of them, then say sorry to yourself and go and study. So absolute humidity is the vapor density. So the vapor density related to the dew point is actually the if you have the vapor density related to the dew point, yes, then you get dew. Temperature is high and the absolute humidity is equal to its corresponding value at dew point. Temperature is high and the absolute humidity is equal to this corresponding value of dew point. So even though it's high or low, it doesn't matter. Right? Even though if it is high or low, it doesn't matter. If you have the humidity value with respect to the dew point, yes, that you will be getting dew. Right? You will be getting dew. Understood? What do you think? Yes, you'll be getting dew. Even though the temperature is high, if you are having the absolute humidity value which is equal to the corresponding dew point, yes. So yes, dew point එකේ absolute humidity එක තියෙනවා නම් it's even though the temperature is high, yes. Right. Temperature is below the dew point. If the temperature is below the dew point, definitely there's dew. Dew point or අඩු කරොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? It's getting deposited. It's getting deposited. So absolutely you are getting dew. Temperature is low and the absolute humidity is less than the maximum. Absolute humidity is less than the maximum possible variable temperature. ඔය කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? What do you say about maximum possible variable? It's the absolute humidity corresponding to the dew point. Temperature is low, but the absolute humidity is less than the maximum. So dew point එකේ absolute humidity එක දැන් නැහැ. ඊට වඩා අඩුයි. So M is now lesser than M naught. So it's not 100%. So in this you don't get dew. In that you don't get dew. So dew will not appear in that case.